As I mentioned in the previous video, workspaces are very flexible in Blocks for iPad. We can choose one of the available options like this one, for example, or we can just switch to the default canvas fill mode and enable the sidebars overlaying the actual canvas. In this case, we can actually minimize the sidebar into these floating panels by double-clicking or using this three-dot menu. And in addition to minimizing, we can also move them around from left to right. We can place them anywhere on the screen, especially if you have the bigger version of the iPads. We can also open multiple sidebars at once, and you will see that they will combine into the single sidebar on one side, which you can easily switch between using the drop-down menu. You can also press and hold on the name of the sidebar to switch between the different sidebars. By minimizing all of them, you can actually create a lot of different combinations, these overlaying sidebars. You can move them around from left to right, from right to left, and depending on your particular use case, you can create something which is the most comfortable for you. In my experience, using the canvas left is one of the easiest ways. You can work on your website on the left, and in the right sidebar, you can have all of the inspector, for example, and all of the other sidebars. When you open the class editor, you will have up to 5 sidebars at once, and you can switch between them again by pressing on the title of the sidebar there. You can also switch between the sidebars using these arrows on right and left side. And depending on your screen size, you can enable the canvas fill option and use the overlaying sidebars. This way, part of your website, of course, will be hidden behind the sidebar. But if you're working on the right side of your website, you can always move around the sidebars. And in my experience, I'm not actually opening multiple sidebars at once at any given time. So this won't be a big problem even if you have a smaller iPad. Just switch between the sidebars when you need using the drop-down gesture. Select the element you want, and if you need to change something, for example, editing a class, just open it inside the sidebar, switch between the different panels when you need. If you want to have more Mac-like experience, as you know, Blocks for Mac has this floating class editor, and this way you can kind of place it anywhere on the screen. But again, if you have a smaller iPad, I think that sticking to one sidebar will be probably better for you. And again, you don't need to open all of these at once. I usually have 1 or 2 panels open maximum. This will be probably inspector and sometimes layer tree when I need to select some specific element. But most of the time I will be working in the canvas left, and this way I don't sacrifice any visibility for my page, and I can easily open all of the sidebars on the right side.